Now, back here at home, the House Committee on Justice is set to begin hearings on the impeachment complaints against Vice President Sara Duterte this week, as questions continue to swirl over whether she will personally attend the proceedings. Here's the report.
After being declared sufficient in grounds, the two impeachment complaints against Vice President Sara Duterte will now move forward. With hearings set to begin on Wednesday, March 25, the Vice President's camp has confirmed receiving the invitation to attend, but her legal counsel attorney Michael Poa says it remains unclear whether she will show up. He stressed that there is no requirement for the Vice President to personally attend a hearing, adding that any decision will depend on her rights and the advice of her legal team. Meanwhile, House Justice Committee Chair Jervil Luiso earlier said it is within the Vice President's prerogative whether to appear or not. But for lawyer Dino De Leon, who represented one of the impeachment complaints, the Vice President should face the proceedings and answer the allegations against her.
Duty-bound siya, constitutional process to eh. Kailangan galangin ni Sara Duterte ang mga institusyon, including the House of Representatives, including eventually the Senate, and kailangan niyang sagutin sa saligang batas. At sabi sa saligang batas, accountability ito, kailangan mag-explain siya.
De Leon, however, doubts that Duterte will attend. And even if she does, he believes she may avoid directly answering questions.
Palagay ko hindi niya sasagutin yung mga tanong. She will again throw an attitude out there and claim that this is all political.
Duterte has earlier denied the allegations, arguing that the complaints lack ultimate facts, a claim that De Leon strongly disputes, insisting there is sufficient basis for accountability.
Ito po ang mastery kasi ng Duterte camp, no? Yung tinatawag nating dilituhin tayo, yung tinatawag nating diversion, muddling of the issues. Ang alegasyon ay siya ay nagwaldas at nagnakaw sa confidential funds. Yun ang kailangan niyang sagutin. Kaso ayaw niyang sagutin, ginagawa na naman ng mga teknikalidad. The attitude is against accountability, which is the very soul of the Constitution.
Meanwhile, a civil society group says it plans to set up a people court if the impeachment process reaches the Senate, composed of priests, members of the academe, and former judges, to monitor the proceedings and present evidence to the public.
Habang nagsasagawa ng pagdinig doon sa loob ng Senado, magtatayo kami ng People's Court doon, maski na outside the gate eh. Karapatan natin yun eh. Kung walang resoluteness yung Senado, at least may maglalahad pa rin ng mga ebidensya at maglalahad ng mga katotohanan